Hey guys, so I'm just taking this opportunity during the global virus pandemic to make some YouTube videos. So I'm going to start by making this one. It's about a piece of code that I use on the machine every time I probe a workpiece, essentially. And what it lets you do is verify your origin that you've probed. So for example, like this would be an origin that we would probe on a typical part, which would be like G54 or G55. In this case, it's going to be G54. Just booted up the machine and referenced it, and as you can see, it boots into G500, which is a global offset. So that's the active work coordinate system now, and essentially we would prefer if that was G54 on startup, but it's not. So I've got my probe and the spindle, and what I'll do is I will just measure, I'll just do like a normal probing cycle. So I'll just change from G500 to G54, and then I would just set the work offset for X, Y, and Z in G54. So I'll just jog it sort of manually to like a rough X and Y location. So sort of on the corner of the vise there. And I'll set that as my origin. So set work offset for X, Y, and Z. And see, my active work coordinate system is still G500, so I don't really know, if that is the correct origin point. I mean, I kind of do. I have some confidence level, but this is just a way to verify that. So just jog the spindle up so it's out the way of anything on the table that it could potentially hit. And then I'd normally sort of jog it away from that area that I probed. So it's well away from there now. And then this is the little magical code thing. And if I push MDA, there we go, comes up here. And it's G00, G90, G54, X0, Y0, M02. So I would normally just turn down the feed rate so that it doesn't rapid so quickly into the origin point, but I'm just going to leave it for this video. So if I push cycle start, the spindle won't go down. So as long as it's clear of everything, you're going to save your probe tip. But yeah, I'll just jog it back down a little bit. And that looks like the point that we set before, which is cool. And now on the screen, I've got my active work coordinate system, G54, and X0, Y0, Z0. So that just confirms that it's in the right place and didn't do something stupid when we're setting it up. As you sort of quickly learn, there's a lot of little steps in machining, and if you miss one of them, it comes undone very quickly. So this is just a good way of verifying that you've set it up correctly. Yeah. So that's pretty much all there is to this video. I just wanted to share that with you. I should give a shout out to Heron Forbes because they actually put that in the machine for me on day one, and I never removed it. So now I've made a video of it. It's forever solidified in YouTube. So if I lost the piece of code, I could come back, watch this video, and then thank my previous self for recording it on YouTube. But yeah, I'm planning on making a couple more videos during this week, and one of them is going to be about like my favorite templates that I use in CAM. So sort of stay tuned for that one. But if you guys want to see anything specific about the machine, or just anything in general, like in machining, I can probably help you out with, hit me up in the comments, and I will consider make the video, because yeah, thanks to the virus we got bulk time, so good and bad, I suppose. But yeah, hope you guys are all well, and see you on the next video.